Okay, so for my environmental proposal, what we could do to make our town slash my home a better place was since that tornado, we have lost a bunch of our trees because of obviously the tornado took most of them away. And it wiped out 3/5 of the town, went straight through the middle from southwest to northeast corner. So there's a giant path in the middle of town where there's maybe you can count on hand, two hands, the trees we have left. So really the only trees we have left are in the northwest corner of town and the southeast part of town. And my house where I live, we planted I think 3 trees since then. Can't remember. But we also so we have those 3 trees, and outside of that, there really haven't been many trees replanted since then. So for me, I'm proposing that we plant trees in the middle of town where there's no houses, or even where there are houses, so we can get more trees in the area, more biodiversity, get more like animals that can live in them, stuff like that. So for environmental pros that cover this, trees improve our air quality by filtering harmful dust and pollutants such as ozone, carbon monoxide, and sulfur dioxide from the air we breathe. So it would help a lot because our co-op takes up a big chunk of that middle of the part of the town. So having trees around would kind of help a little bit with that. Kind of gives a divider between the co-op and like homes. Trees have oxygen. Trees reduce the amount of stormwater runoff, which reduces erosion and pollution in our waterways, and may reduce the effects of flooding. So yeah, especially being in a valley, we do get some flooding here and there. We really don't have that well of like a water sewage system, like when it rains a lot, because we are a small town. We don't have much to work with, so just having trees like that would help a little bit. Then of course, like wildlife could have a habitat to live in. Like they can use it for food protection, homes, and stuff like that. Economic pros: well-placed trees can reduce the cooling costs in the summer by shading the south and west sides of your home. So like economically, a person should want to plant trees because you're saving money in the long haul. And then like for like winter, vice versa, you put them on the north side. It could be like a windbreak for the wind, and being in Nebraska, that north wind is brutal in the winter. So keeping your barrier from that could keep your house warm. You don't have to use this heat as much, saving more money. So, and the value of a well-landscaped home with mature, healthy trees can be as much as 10% higher than a similar home with no or little landscaping. So, if you ever do want to move, if you have trees, you're gonna get more bang for your buck. So that's what I'm proposing. Trees. Obviously, there's millions of more pros. I mean, there could be cons, I guess, but just for me personally, I think we should plant more trees. We're slowly getting there, but I think we should up it up even more, so people can come in, visit, or move here and be like, wow, like they've done very well since there's tornadoes and have gotten a lot better. So, thank you.